Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic that is in front of you, salary slip detailed explanation. Guys, you may think that the topic for the earlier video was also the same, but guys, that video was for NQT selected students, and now this video is for smart hiring candidates. And the real topic of this video is smart hiring salary details. Now, how much enhanced salary detail will you get in TCS if you are selected from smart hiring? What are different deductions from your salary? Effect of work from home on in-hand salary. Now, first of all, basic salary. Basic salary for smart hiring candidates will be 7,100 rupees. And now, house rent allowance will be 2,840 rupees. Leave travel allowance will be 592 rupees. Personal allowance will be 1,400. Miscellaneous will be variable. I will explain you in next slide. City allowance will not be given to you guys. Night shift allowance will be 360 rupees per day, and the number of days you are doing night shift you may simply multiply by 360. Performance pay you will get 1,500 rupees. So total earning will be current plus arrear. What are arrear? Arrear are the pending amount from the previous month or previous months, and generally when you join TCS for the first time, you may not be allotted any project, then you will not get performance pay, and if your role not is tagged, then still you will not get the performance pay. When your role is tagged, then the performance pay will be given to you for the previous month also, then it is given you in arrears, and if any other amount is pending, then it also comes in arrears. So total earning will be current plus arrear. Now, deductions. There are various type of deduction. First is provident fund. It is deducted every month of 852 rupees. ESIS deduction. Basically this is for your insurance, and it is deducted 130 rupees every month. In case of NQT candidates, this is deducted only in 2 months, and that is the amount for them is 1,888 rupees. Transport recovery is 1,900 rupees, but it is deducted only if you are taking the transport facility in TCS. And the amount is same. It does not depend on location because it is subsidized by project. Now total deduction in this case is 2,886 rupees. Now net salary will be total earning minus total deduction. Simple. Miscellaneous breakup. Component will be national holiday adjustment. Amount will be 780 rupees. For national holiday, there will be 3 holidays that will be considered to pay this amount. That is 15 August, 26 January and 2nd October, means Gandhi Jayanti. Any other holiday will not be considered to give this amount. Food card adjustment. If you have received your food card, then you will get 500 rupees every month in your food card, and if you have not food card, then this amount will come in miscellaneous of 500 rupees. Total in this case is 780 rupees. Net pay in this case is 15,646 rupees. Net pay generally will be 10,546 rupees. How? Because guys, in this case we have considered 44,320 rupees night shift allowance, and 780 rupees amount is for national holiday adjustment. If you get deducted this amount, then the net amount you are getting is 10,546 rupees. And guys, you may add 1,900 rupees also in this, because here we have considered transport facility, and if you are not taking transport facility, then your amount will be about 12,446 rupees. So you can consider that your salary will be 12,446 rupees. So guys, net internet charges. Nowadays, as we all are working from home, so TCS is providing 410 rupees as internet charges, and this amount is same for everyone. This does not depend upon your designation, upon your number of years of experience. Now, effect of work from home on in-hand salary. Guys, there are various type of claim that you can claim, and this claim is never considered in your salary. Food claim, night conveyance claim, transport claim. First of all, food claim. If you do any shift on weekend, then you can get 150 rupees as your food claim. Night shift conveyance claim, as I have already told you, that 360 rupees per day is given to you for night shift, and that amount comes in your salary. But additionally 100 rupees is given to you if you don't avail transport facility from TCS. Now, transport claim. Guys, if you use transport facility from TCS and if you come on weekend, and on weekend transport facility is generally not given to you, then you can claim the amount that you have spent on the way to come to office. So guys, now all these three claims are not available as you are working from home. Obviously, these should not be given to anyone. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please keep sharing these videos, and I hope you will like this video. And if you still have any doubt, you can comment. I will definitely answer your query. Thank you guys.